Now you're ready to create your audiobook project. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, click Add Project. And in the pop-up window that comes up, you're going to have to fill in the key details for your project. Give it a title. Type in the authors and narrators. And you're also free to add multiple author and narration fields if you feel like that's necessary. The last step is to upload your manuscript in PDF format only, since this is going to be the script that you read from while you're in the Prozody studio. Now, before you upload your script, I think it's very important that you update it for the audiobook format if necessary. If you're a fiction author, this is going to be less applicable to you, but if you're a nonfiction author, someone who has page references, specific photos and diagrams, this is something that you should really keep in mind. First thing is remove specific page references. So any place that you say, see page 27, you might want to replace that with something more general to a chapter that they can actually navigate to in the audiobook, like see chapter 2. 2, if your book also has very important pictures and diagrams that are important for your listeners to open up and read, make sure to include that in the PDF companion that's given to your readers along with the audiobook when it's sold to them. And in your references in your audiobook, instead of saying see figure 4 above, you'd want to say something like see figure 4 in the accompanying PDF. And 3, if you have important footnotes and citations, make sure to blend that into the narrative itself. When you're done adapting your script, if necessary, upload it in PDF format. And I'm going to do that by browsing in my downloads. And then you can click Create Project, and you're off to the races. Now, you might have times where you want to upload a new script because you caught an error, because you want to change the phrasing of something, whatever the reason may be. If you want to do that, here's how you do it. Return to the project dashboard, click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner of the appropriate project, click Edit, and then change whatever key information you like, along with the title, the authors, the narrators, and you can even choose a new manuscript if you'd like. In my case, I'm just going to upload the same manuscript to show you an example. And that will update your project. Now it's time to get into the studio.